Good morning. In the last class, we learned about the divide and conquer technique. So, what is divide and conquer technique? It is a divide and conquer is a problem solving technique where the bigger problem is divided into number of smaller sub problems and the solution to the individual sub problem is found, and the solutions of the individual sub problems are combined to get the solution to the original problem is called as divide and conquer technique, which we have already learned in the previous classes. Now we'll see the applications of the divide and conquer technique. So the divide and conquer technique can be applied in binary search, quick sort, merge sort, Strassen's matrix multiplication, etc. There are many more applications, but in your syllabus there are few which you can learn. First we'll start with the binary search. Binary search andre eno, searching andre eno. Searching is nothing but finding a particular element is called as searching. The item or the element which you are searching for is called as the key element. So now we have to go through the keywords which you are using in your binary search. So what is binary search? Binary search is a searching technique where the element you are searching for a particular element in the list, and there are some keywords like an item is the number which you are searching for in the list is called as the item that you have to concentrate on. So how this binary search work? Binary search is one of the techniques used while searching for an item. This technique is applied only if items to be compared are either in ascending or descending order. This technique is similar to the technique used for searching the telephone number in the telephone directory. ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಹುಡುಕ್ತೀರಾ ಆ ಥರ ಹುಡುಕೋ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ನ ನಾವು ಬೈನರಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ದ directory. The key item to be searched is the name of the person and is compared with item present in the middle of the book. If the name is found, the corresponding phone number is retrieved and search is successful. Otherwise, either the left half of the book or right half of the book is searched on whether the item is present towards the left side or towards the right side of the item being compared. ಆ ಥರ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಚ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೈನರಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ಒಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅರೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಅರೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ವಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಕರ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಕರ್ ವಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈನರಿ ಸರ್ಚ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡನ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕೀ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಕೀ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟನ್ನ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೀ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತೀವೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಕೀ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಕೀ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಕೀ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈಸ್ you are going to compare the middle element with the key element. First you have to find the middle element and you have to compare the key element is equal to the middle element or not. If the key element is not equal to the middle element, or if the key element is equal to the middle element, we say that the search is successful. Now again there are three cases here. In the first case, if the element being searched is found to be the middlemost element, its index is returned. It is the search is successful. And in the second case, suppose if the key element is greater than the middle element, now the middle element is not equal to the key element. In the next step you have to compare that whether the middle element is greater than the key element or not. And if the element being searched is found to be greater than the middle element, then search continue to the right subarray. That is, you are only searching the right part of the array. And if the element to be searched is lesser than the key element, then you are searching only the left part of the array. Now we'll just see here. Consider, for example, this is a given list of array here. Now I want to implement binary search on this. To implement binary search, I have to first have a array of elements either in ascending or descending order. You can see here the elements are in ascending order. Now I want to search for the element 50 in this array. Element 50 ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೀ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೀ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ 2 ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಲೋ ಮತ್ತು ಹೈ ಅಂತಲೂ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 2 ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಂಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ 0 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ 6. So middle element I'll get the middle element by adding the indexes 0 plus 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. The element or the index position 3 is considered as the middle element. Now I am searching the key element with the middle element. 15 35 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಅವೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ I have to check whether the middle element is key element is greater than the middle element or not. ಇಲ್ಲಿ key element middle element ಗಿಂತ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So I have to check only the right side of the array, only the right part of the array I am checking. Only this part I will check and leave the other part of the array. So you can see here I have blacklisted all the other parts and only considering the right part of the array. So again the start will point to the first element, then the last element. The search begins in this part of the array. So how we will see the algorithm now. Given an array A of 1 to n of elements in non-decreasing order, now you are taking 2 indices, low which is pointing to position 1 and high to n, and while low less than equal to high, do mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. You are finding the middle element. If the middle element x of a of mid, then low is equal to, you have to return, if the key element is equal to the middle element, you have to return the middle element. Else if the key element is less than the middle element, then you have greater than the middle element, you have to check the right part of the array. Else you have to check the left part of the array.